Hi, how are you? And welcome to Two Piece en Español.
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Super excited. I'm always excited. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the verbos irregulares in
Okay.
present. Okay?
Okay.
Those that you will see this, I will explain it to you, but you say O to like a column, UE. You can find them. You can Google them and you can find all the list. But today we're going to talk about them. Okay, so
Okay.
first let's remember that the verbs in infinitive in Spanish, they end with AR, like cantar,
Mm-hmm.
correr, that it ends in ER, or
Mm-hmm.
compartir, that ends in ER.
Right.
So if you are reading and you see, first of all, the sujeto, like a pronoun or the name of a person or a thing, and
Mm-hmm.
then you see the verb in ar, or ir,
Mm-hmm.
it's in infinitive.
Okay.
Okay? Then we have the conjugations for the ones that the regular ones that end in ar. It's
Mm-hmm.
o, as, a, amos, an. So that means, for example, yo canto, tú cantas, él o ella canta, nosotros cantamos, ustedes cantan y ellos, ellas cantan. So that's for cantar, that ending in AR.
Okay.
Then we have the ER that ends in O, ES, E, hemos, en y en. And the
Okay.
example is yo corro, tú corres, él o ella corre, nosotros corremos, ustedes corren y ellos, ellas corren. All of them. They're regular verbs. You just make that change and that's it. And then you have the ER. That
Mm-hmm.
the ending is similar to the ER, but in
Mm-hmm.
nosotros, it's instead of E, it's E. So
Okay.
it's O, ES, E, imos, en. And the example is compartir. Yo comparto, tú compartes, él, ella comparte, nosotros compartimos, ustedes comparten y ellos, ellas comparten.
Okay.
Okay, but we have the regular ones. Oh, we don't like those. But we have a super cool rule or steps to finish them. So when it's AR, we have the
Mm-hmm.
verbs, for example, contar, almorzar, costar, probar, mostrar. Do you know those verbs?
I know.
Yeah?
No, not all of. I don't think I know them.
Okay,
Mm-mm.
which one do you know?
Um, I was, is almorzar is to eat lunch? Is that
Yes.
too? Okay. But I don't know the other ones.
Okay, contar is to count.
To count. Okay.
Then it's yeah, to eat lunch. Costar, it's like, for example, ¿cuánto cuesta? How much it
Oh,
cost.
cost. The cost. Okay.
Probar, it's to try. Like it could be to try a food or to try clothes,
Okay.
okay? Or to try something new,
Okay.
okay? Mostrar is to show,
To show. Okay.
okay? Then in ER, we have poder, mover, devolver, or resolver.
Okay.
Do you know them?
To poder is it to put? No.
No, it's you can do something.
To
Like
okay,
yo
to do.
puedo caminar. I can walk.
Ah, okay. And then mover is I'm guessing to move.
Ajá.
Uh-huh. And then resolver, I think, is it to like to finish, to resolve?
No, it's
No.
kind of like for example, if you are doing like an addition and you are going to get the
Mm.
result.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Gotcha.
For example, a riddle. To
A
answer the
ri-
riddle, it's voy a resolver una
Okay.
adivinanza o un acertijo.
Ah, okay.
And then IR, that it's dormir o morir.
Okay. That's sleep, or to die.
Yeah. Muy bien. Okay, so we have here, I put like an example, the difference between, for example, mover, that ends with er, and correr. This is the first one. It's irregular, mover, and the second one is regular, so you can see the difference. So in the irregular, you say yo muevo, and in regular is yo corro, and tú mueves, tú corres, él, ella, usted mueve, o ellos, él, ella, usted corre, nosotros movemos, o nosotros corremos, o usted, ellos, ellas mueven o corren. Okay, so that's kind of the comparison. So we have the super cool steps. Okay, so you have the verb dormir. The first thing that you need to do is the same as in the regular verb, the regular verbs. You eliminate er.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, so you keep dorm. Okay, so you put all of them dorm, but you make an exception with nosotros dorm. Okay, you just put it outside in that list. Okay.
Okay.
Then we go to identify the o. Okay, all of them except nosotros. Okay, in the next step, you change o for ue. So you say yo duermo, okay? Except nosotros. Nosotros, it's outside.
Okay.
In Spanish, in Mexico, we say es harina de otro costal. So it's like the flour from another bag. So it's like it's outside this.
Okay.
This subject, okay? And then you add the list that we talk in the regular ones. O, S, E, imos, en. Do you remember? Okay, and you put that. In the duerm, you say duermo, tú duermes, él, ella, usted duerme, ustedes, ellos, ellas duermen. And dormimos, that one, it's the only one that keeps the regular rule. So the only thing that you had to do in nosotros is to eliminate er and then add imos.
Okay.
That's the only thing. The rest. Okay. And so at the end you have yo duermo, tú duermes, él, ella, usted duerme, nosotros dormimos, as the regular ones, ustedes, ellos, ellas duermen.
Okay.
And that's it. And we have a short list of verbs that they are irregular and they follow this rule. So, for example, acordar, acordarse, acostar, o acostarse. Remember that when it's acordarse, it's something that it could be like a reflexive verbs.
Yes, okay.
You know? Okay. So, almorzar, apostar, aprobar, coser, colgar. Because the coser one, it's important that we remember that it exists coser with S, coser, that it's different.
Yeah.
Coser with S, it's like to knit or to mend some clothes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then colgar. Okay. And then we have another one like a comprobar, consolar, contar, costar, devolver, demostrar, disolver, dormir, that we already work on them, encontrar, envolver, esforzar, forzar, llover, morder, morir, mostrar. And the last one, mover o moverse, oler, poder, probar, recordar o renovar.
Okay.
Okay, so I think there are many more, but they are not so common, or we don't use them. But yeah,
Okay.
this is the rule. So just eliminate ER, or in the case for the other ones, it's ER.
Mm-hmm.
And then identify the O in this case, because that's the thing. You can Google it or you can look for them in books, that you
Okay.
need to find the verbs O, column, UE.
Okay.
So that's the way that you will find them.
Okay.
And
Will
then,
do.
yeah, and then change O for UE in all of them except nosotros, and then just add this wonderful list, and that's it. That's the
Okay.
way that you can little by little, step by step, remember and know how to conjugate in present tense the
Mm-hmm.
irregular verbs.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope you like it.
I learned a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much for coming.
Bye.
Bye bye.